Want to try out live text on your iPhone? Live text lets you interact with text and photos, so you can easily copy, paste, search, or translate text right from your images. Let's go over how to use this feature on your iPhone. Before you do anything, enable live text if not already enabled. Open Settings on your iPhone. Tap General. Scroll down. Tap Language and Region. Enable live text from here. Now, follow these steps. Set 1. Use live text in photos or screenshots. Open the Photos app on your iPhone. Find the photo or screenshot that contains text. Tap on the photo to view it. Tap and hold on the text in the image. You'll see options to copy, select all, look up, or translate the text. Select the option that fits your needs, such as copying the text to paste it elsewhere or looking up its meaning. Step 2. Use live text in Camera app. Open the Camera app on your iPhone. Point your camera at a text or sign that you want to interact with. Tap the live text icon, a small text box that appears in the corner of your screen. Once the text is recognized, you can tap on it to select and interact with it the same way you would in photos, like copy, translate, etc. Make sure live text is turned on under the live text section. These steps will help you easily use live text on your iPhone to interact with text in your photos and camera. If this guide was helpful, make sure to subscribe for more tips and stay tuned for the next video.